Hi, my name is Angel. My career goal will be human resources reporting analyst. The role will be responsible for creating a standard report that are required by the business and also customized reports that are necessary to address unique business needs. This position works closely with business teams and analytics partners in support of business decision support and product management. Um, those are the list for job description, which are soft and hard skills. The first one will be communication skills. It's really important in us working in the human resource data analyst position and have a solid critical thinking skills, effective interpersonal and relationship building skills, and the hard skills will be understanding and ability to conduct data. For required education, 4 years college degree is required and 2 years related experience. For the question, how your education relates to your 4-year plan. So I am now in psychology major and minor in data science, which helped me a lot with my future career goal. In the same time, I'm working in the IT department at school for the onboarding team. I also do data to help them collect data when they need it. So that is kind of related experience for my career goal. The last question will be why you are majoring in psychology. I believe this is the way for me to prepare me for a future job. It's similar like chapter 13 had mentioned about this point. And I think psychology will build a really important and useful skills, not only for a job but also for our social life. And definitely this will help people with their needs. Thank you so much for listening.